Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove credit card from Notion. So let's get started. First, you just have to open your Notion and then go to Settings and Members. So of course, you should have added your credit card or card here. And then after you have added your card, then you will see a billing option right here. And this is what it looks like. So all you have to do is to tap that one. Now, once you have added your credit card here or whatever card you have here, and you want to remove that one, then once you tap this, you will see a remove option right here. And then all you have to do is to remove that and then follow the instructions on how to remove totally your credit card here in Notion. Okay, so that's it. You just have to open your Notion, go to settings and membership, and then you have to click billings and then remove the card that you have added to your Notion. As easy as that. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.